Pink is not just a color, but an attitude. Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. Today's color for the idiom is pink. And I again have two idioms for you using the color pink. The first idiom is Be Tickled Pink. Now what happens when somebody tickles you? Gudgudi karna? You laugh and your face turns pink. So it is from here that the idiom has been originated. So somebody who is very pleased, very happy can be described as tickled pink. My mother is tickled pink because I have decided to learn cooking. So she is very happy. Finally, I have decided that I'll learn cooking. So she is tickled pink. Grandmother will be tickled pink to get an invitation to the wedding. She'll be really pleased once she gets an invitation for the wedding party. The children were tickled pink when they were taken for a camping trip. When the children were taken for the camping, they were very happy. So we can say that the children were tickled pink. His kids were tickled pink when he told them that he was taking them for a vacation. So as soon as he told his kids that he would take them for a vacation, the children were very happy. They were tickled pink. The next idiom is in the pink. In the pink is a phrase which is mostly associated with health, and it means to be in good health. So we can say he is in the pink of health. That means he is in good health. He recovered completely from the surgery and has been in the pink. That means has been in a good health since he recovered and he completed his surgery. She was lively and active and in the pink of condition. That means she was lively, active and in the pink of health. In the pink can also be used as a response to how are you. When somebody is asking you how are you, you can reply by saying in the pink. In the pink means in a good health. For example, hello, how are you? Oh, in the pink. The last idiom. Though this idiom does not contain the word pink, but it is somewhat related to the color pink. And the idiom is see the world through rose-colored glasses, or look at the world through rose-colored glasses. Now what does it mean? It means a person who is always positive, who is optimistic, looks at things in a positive way, can be described as a person who sees or looks at the world through rose-colored glasses. That means the person finds positive in everything that he comes across. So here you have got two idioms for you, and now quickly write a sentence and comment me below. I'll be again back with another idiom in the next episode. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.